Assalamu alaikum, grade 8. This is the lecture number 4 from chapter number 1, and topic is careers in biology. After taking biology as a subject, you must thought that what would we do after studying biology. So today's lecture will provide a very beneficial knowledge about the careers in biology. So there are many careers that a student of biology can plan to adopt, and the first one is medicines and surgery, one of the well-known profession in biology. The profession of medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases in human. And you know what doctors do? They diagnose a disease and provide a specific drug or medicine for that very disease. And in surgery, parts of body may be repaired, replaced, or removed. For example, kidney stone is removed, replacement of kidney and liver, and both these professions are studied in the same basic course MBBS, and then students go for specialization and specialize maybe in any field. For example, some go for neurosurgery, some go for skin specialist. This is the profession of fisheries. Fisheries is the professional study of fish production. You might visit any of fish farms where many fishes are breeded. There are departments in Pakistan where professionals of fisheries are employed. They serve for enhancing the quality and quantity of fish production. So in Pakistan, the profession can be adopted after the bachelor or master's level study of zoology and fisheries. And you can see the monologue of Punjab Fish Department or Punjab Department of Fisheries Punjab on screen. The next one is agriculture department. Pakistan is an agricultural country, so it's a very strong department in Pakistan. This profession deals with the food crops and animals, which are the source of food. Uh, and agriculturists work for the betterment of the crops like wheat, rice, corn, etc., and animals like buffalo, cow, etc., from which we get food. In Pakistan, there are many universities which offer professional courses on agriculture after the higher secondary education in biology. And you know about the Agriculture University Faisalabad, one of the best known university in Punjab. Next is animal husbandry. It is a branch of agriculture concerned with the care and breeding of domestic animals, for example, cattle and sheep. The professional courses in animal husbandry can be adopted after the higher secondary education in biology. You can see a very beautiful garden on screen, and this is under the department, a very profound department, that is horticulture department. So this department deals with the art of gardening. Horticulturists work for the betterment of existing varieties and for the production of new varieties of ornamental plants and fruit plants. Biology students can adopt this profession after their higher secondary education. This is farming. So it deals with the development and maintenance of different types of farms. For example, in some farm animals, breeding technology are used for the production of animals which are better protein and milk source. You also know about the poultry farms. In poultry farms, chicken and eggs are produced. Similarly, in fruit farms, different fruit yielding plants are grown, and sometimes you get non-seasonal fruits because of this farming. Have you ever visited the one of the largest man-made artificial forest, Changamangal? So this is the picture of Changamangal on screen. In forestry, professionals look after natural forests and advise to the government for the planting and growing artificial forests. So um, many universities offer professional courses in forestry after the higher secondary education in biology or after bachelor level study of zoology and botany, means BSc in botany and zoology. One of the advanced profession in biology, This is the biotechnology. It is the latest profession in the field of biology. Biotechnologists study and work for the production of useful products through microorganisms. For example, the insulin is the one of the well-known product from the microorganisms. Some universities in Pakistan offer courses in biotechnology after the high secondary education in biology and the bachelor level studies of botany or zoology. These were a few professions in biology you can adopt after studying this subject. So you have to learn this topic and solve the questions related to this. Thank you.